You want to say something, baby?
Something. I'm just cooking regular old pork chops, you know. Got to season both sides. I wish there was smell-o-vision. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a tickle of butter. Just a little tickle.
You want to show them what we're having in the oven? I come over here, jump over here. I gotta pick that up off the floor. Sorry about that. And we're gonna have some chicken bites. And I'm gonna get the mac and cheese going. And another chicken bites. And that. Anything else you want to say?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Thank you, and have a blessed, beautiful day, evening, wherever you are at. And yeah, all right.
All right.
See you all later.
I need to turn this heat down.
Bye.